Hi guys, welcome back. We're hanging out on Friday because there's supposed to be like a blizzard tonight, maybe 13 inches of snow, who knows? So
yeah, this
might be a 2-day vlog, maybe. It's already like, what time is it, like 5, 6 something?
6 something.
Yeah, because I only got here at like 5:20 or something. So, sorry if this vlog is short, but if it's not, then yay!
It probably won't be.
I don't know what we're gonna do. We just went out to eat. We didn't record any of it, obviously.
I was starving. I didn't think about it.
Should we play Fortnite?
Yeah, we can.
And stream?
Yeah, we can.
Guys, freaking follow. Oh, hi. Follow Cole's Twitch. Oh my god. Follow his Twitch so you get notified when we are streaming. We only play Fortnite, but we might start like other games sometimes. Not sometimes. Like maybe like horror games or something, I don't know. But yeah, we'll probably go do that. I'm sorry it's so orange. We need to change the lights in here. I was thinking about doing the apartment tour today, but
You're way too late and it's really cloudy and I wasn't expecting her to be here today.
yeah.
Because I worked from like 6 a.m. to 3:30.
So also, I don't know what video is gonna go up on Wednesday.
Might do it tomorrow.
Maybe. Okay, well, we're gonna go freaking stream. Bye.
Jeez, it is dark. I'm gonna come over here. Someone just shot at you.
What?
No, wait,
Where?
what? You got sniped. And she's dead.
I didn't even realize.
Well, guys, I just got first a little bit ago. Killed it. They have a new item called Porta-Fort, and you throw it down, you have your own fort. It's just made. I made that and I crushed it. Isn't that right, Katie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Katie just got like 18th.
17th.
17th, I'm sorry.
But hey, I got second last weekend, so.
And then the guy started dancing and then just killed her.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Oh well. Anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey. So Katie and I just got done playing Fortnite. Now, I bought The Greatest Showman. If you have not seen it, you need to see it. Rent it, buy it, do whatever you gotta do. If you want to, buy it. Take my word on it, it is amazing. Katie and I both love it. Also, Katie and I have Lunchables. We have pickles. I made her chocolate covered strawberries. We have Funyuns. We have Fruit Loops. We have bananas. We have Cuties. We have Reese's. I just got paid today, so I went to the store and bought a ton of stuff. Reese's, I'm sorry, not Reese's. I'm just used to saying Reese's. Also got Sunny D and Gatorade. But yeah, we're gonna go watch The Greatest Showman, and we'll see you back. Also, AKA, Katie's probably gonna stay the night. I don't know if she wants to because she doesn't sleep very well, but I'm gonna talk her into it. So we Gucci. Hello.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. By the way, Kyla, happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, Kyla. She's a big 18.
Let's take the Snapchat, send it to her.
I'm gonna be 18 on the 24th. But yeah, it is morning. I did stay overnight. Funny thing is, there's literally no snow outside. It's not snowing. The roads actually look like they might be dry, so. But
No, it snowed a little bit.
where?
Over there, look in that yard. There's snow on it.
It was probably there before.
No, it wasn't.
I don't know, whatever.
It's dusting. Look, there's some in that truck.
Whatever, it's barely anything. But I didn't sleep that well last night, of course. And I woke up at like 2.
I thought it was 3.
I was up from like 2 to 3 something.
Oh.
But when I woke up, this side of my throat hurt and I was like, great. So, and then Cole woke up like an hour later because Chunky laid on him. And then we fell asleep at some point, and yeah, but then we woke up at 7, so I'm dead, and now my whole throat hurts, so.
I'm gonna go get Katie a popsicle. You guys can come with me.
Multiple popsicles.
Apparently, Katie was saying I was like talking in my sleep, saying something about Fortnite or something.
No, it sounded like you were like, oh, it is snowing now. It sounded like you were like talking to your friends.
Like on my headset.
Yeah.
And apparently I was snoring for a little bit. Okay, it didn't sound like snoring, it just sounded kind of like heavy breathing.
It was snoring. I sent him a video of it on Snapchat.
I don't think so.
Okay, it's snowing now.
I don't snore. Well, I better go.
Okay.
Come on, Bombanos. Everybody, let's go. Why am I singing Dora the Explorer? Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you in a little bit. And we're off. Remember when Katie just said like it like wasn't even snowing? Like as soon as she said that, like it started snowing, like not a lot, but like a lot. Like a pretty good amount. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. So let's pray and hope I don't die. Sorry about that, technical difficulties. I still don't know all the buttons on this camera and I still have some so. But anyway, I don't really want to take the camera out in the snow while I'm doing this, so I'll probably just see you guys when I get there. Goodbye, I love you. Alright guys, I got the goods. We went to Hy-Vee, by the way. I mean, I'm home by myself, I'm sorry. I can't like get a good angle. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well guys, I just got home. I'm eating a popsicle. When I got back, Katie's playing Fortnite. And right now, there's only 5 other people left, so.
And I'm camping like always.
As always. Oh, get him, girl!
Ah!
Almost. How much health did he have left? Not a lot. 52. Yeah, but he had shield and you didn't. If only you didn't run through that trap. Oh. Eat them all.
No.
Okay, well, I'm probably gonna play, so we'll be back.
Okay, guys. Since that last clip, it started snowing a bunch. So, I'm probably gonna leave, like, in a few minutes. It's like 9:57. We didn't have time to record a video for Wednesday again, so sorry. Next weekend we will record something. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week. Hopefully I don't die on my way home.
Bye.
Bye. Psych. I'm back. Look at my glasses. It's just this side.
Show them outside.
Wow, they look pretty. Well, I tried, and then I guess the like highway on the way to my house is closed, so I had to come back. But
I mean, this is what it looks like in town.
Here, wait.
Get to the clip. Wow.
Yeah. It's still snowing. If it would focus.
Don't you just love spring?
Yeah. It's April 14th. We're having a blizzard. I don't know when I'm gonna leave.
It's supposed to snow tomorrow too.
It's supposed to stop at like 1 a.m. tonight, I think. Hopefully.
That's when Katie will leave.
Well, we're gonna clean up a little bit and then we're gonna film the apartment tour for you guys. So yeah, a video will actually be up on Wednesday. Oh my god. Well, okay. Okay guys, we've been cleaning for a while because we want the apartment to look nice in the apartment tour. Yeah, I did, the bedroom's almost done. I did the bathroom, I've done some of the living room and the kitchen and blah blah blah. Cole's been doing dishes and we're defrosting some meat so we can eat lunch because it's noon. This day has felt so long. It's probably because I didn't sleep that much, but whatever. By the way, I never told you guys about that appointment I had on Monday. because obviously I couldn't because didn't vlog until now. But I'm okay. Nothing has to be taken out of my body. Shut up. He said, the surgeon said he's not worried about it, but if it gets bigger, then we'll have to do something. So we got this whiteboard calendar back in like, wow, that was so not on my face. Back in like December. But like we put it on the wall with those sticky things that comes with it, but it would fall like all the time. So we haven't had it up since December when we got it. And so since we have nails now and a hammer, I decided to put it up like right above the desk. You can't really see what it says on it because the whiteboard markers have been like hanging on the fridge because like they have magnets on them, but they've been hanging with like the writing side up, so all the ink like drained to the bottom of the markers, so you can barely tell what it says. But yeah, blah blah. My birthday on the 24th, guys. And then there's Kyla's birthday. You literally like can't read it. My sister's birthday, our 6-month anniversary, and then I just wrote those down there. So yeah, I'm very excited. You'll see the whole apartment in the apartment tour video. If you haven't really figured out what it looks like yet, which I'm pretty sure you can, but I don't know. I just like watching them, so I figured some of you might. Colioli! Chunky just attacked my arm.
What?
He attacked my arm. It's all red and stuff. So I had to hold him so Cole could go take the garbage out. Look how red it is. That was from his tooth or his nail. That butthole, I threw him in a room. I grabbed his neck and I was like, no! Well, wow, it looks like I'm wearing lipstick, but I just had a popsicle.
Had frozen pickle juice, then a popsicle.
Frozen pickle juice is so good, guys. It's so good. But guys, we put lights up. Wow, you can't even, you just look like a profile of yourself. You can't even see your face or anything.
You can make this the
thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah! Look at this cute, chunky butt. Even though he's mean to me. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ow! Jeez. So mean. We're gonna finally record this freaking apartment tour after so long. So that'll be up on Wednesday for you guys who want to see.
So Katie just looked at her phone. And Katie, what just happened?
We hit 55 subscribers! Wow, you couldn't even like see my face.
I know, it's just black. But yeah, we just hit 55. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it. We love you all. Also, on the bright side, I'm making food. Hamburger helper, stroganoff. I've never had it before. Katie told me about it, and she said that she really liked it. Yeah, last weekend. If you saw our last vlog, you saw me make it. Also, update on the storm. It's still really bad. Don't know if Katie's gonna be going anywhere anytime soon. Hey guys, it's like for the past 2.5 hours we've just been chilling here. I've been playing Fortnite. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm playing Fortnite. Katie's over there on the laptop playing Sims. The desktop making super ugly Sims. Okay, focus. Alright, Katie, go back to it. Wow.
I made another ugly sim, a dude, and I'm gonna make them have kids and see how ugly they turn out to be.
By the way, I love these lights popping. And Chunky. Just being a lazy butt as always. Right, Chunky? But yeah, the storm, like let up on the radar for like an hour and a half. So we're gonna take this window of opportunity to go get some KFC probably. But it's supposed to come back again in like 2 hours or so. So Katie's not gonna really be able to go home because probably not. because like the roads are like, there's so a lot of roads closed, and also like all the rest of them are travel not advised, the ones that aren't closed. So she'll maybe spend the night again, but who knows. Anyway, we'll keep you guys updated.
So we're just about to leave to go to KFC. It's still snowing, but like it's not as nearly as bad as it was before. Like, okay, come on, focus. Focus. You can kind of see it. I mean, it's not bad at all. You can see like everything. It's only bad when it like is very windy. But something knocked off part of that. Hello. Hey. Hey, we're both wearing gray on gray. Gray on gray. Gray on gray. Except for yours are 2 different shades. Mine are pretty much the same and I look weird.
2 shades of gray instead of 50.
Okay. Oh my god. Look at how deep this snow is. And we have to go shovel my car out over there. Because the plow put a bunch of snow on it. So, we got my car shoveled out. She's so strong, she ain't get stuck or anything. I love her, even though she's tiny. My hair, oh my god. But, KFC was closed. So,
yeah,
we ordered a pizza at Pizza Hut, and now we're at Pizza Hut, so.
They could have delivered it, since we're like pretty close. We kind of just wanted to get out of the apartment because we're probably not going to go anywhere else.
Well, I did.
Well, I did too.
You're like, we should have just had it delivered. And
Well,
I'm like,
that's
no.
like when I was shoveling it.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to shovel.
But we're gonna have to shovel my car sometime, so.
Yeah.
Even though plows will probably still go by, but
There's
whatever.
a shovel there we can take. That's a big one.
I don't know what time I'm going home, or if I'm even going home today, but it looks pretty clear out right now. But I think the roads might still be closed. I don't know. Well.
Because like the streets they've been plowing and stuff, and like it doesn't look clear, or it looks clear, but like they aren't gonna plow the highways until like they know it's done snowing. And like, okay, so here's the storm. It's like around. We're in a little spot right now. We have
There's like a little circle in the middle of the storm, and that's where we have about
half an hour before it starts snowing again. Like
well,
heavy.
it's still snowing, but.
Well, I mean heavy.
Heavy. The fat snow.
Let's go get some pizza.
Yeah. The crusty crab pizza. The pizza. You and me. Oh my god, I'm gonna slip. Crusty crab. Yeah, pizza. And we're back with the pizza. I love it in here. It looks like Christmas with these lights. I love it. If it would focus. This camera never freaking focuses. Well, it does sometimes. Like now, it's focused on my face, but it just looks like not that great because of the lighting. Guys, I want an orange soda so bad. Orange pop, whatever. Fanta. But I forgot my changes at my house. And Cole doesn't really have any change. And the vending machine in his apartment building doesn't take cards, and he doesn't have $1 bills. I have $1 bills in my car. I have $1 bills in my car, but I don't want to go all the way back down there again. I feel like it's snowing heavier. Great. Well, I guess you'll see later if I got my Fanta or not. So, Cole is a good boyfriend, so of course he's like, oh, I'll go get you some pop, some orange pop. And I was like, no. Like, why? Like, the pizza's gonna get cold. We literally just got in the house. And he's like, oh, I'll just go to the gas station. I'm like, no, why? That'll take so much longer. And I have, like, I have $1 in my car that he can use because the pop's only like 75 cents. He's such a turd. But I'm gonna play Fortnite until he gets back, which should only take like 5 minutes or something. And the pizza is just gonna sit here and get chilly. So yeah, I gotta go. It's starting. Good morning again, guys.
Day 3 of the vlog.
Day 3 of being trapped inside.
Like,
Oh, the first day we weren't really trapped because it didn't snow until like the morning yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm kind of sick, if you can't tell. My nose is blah and my throat is blah.
This whole weekend has just gone by so fast. It's Sunday already.
I have school tomorrow. Gross. And I came here like right after school on Friday. I don't know what time this video will be up. I don't know what time I can go home because the highways are still closed, so.
Even though like we've been with each other for 3 days, this video might still be kind of not boring, but not as exciting just because we're trapped in here and we can't really go out and do stuff or anything, so hope you guys understand that aspect.
Yeah. It's not better, but I couldn't really breathe sometimes, so I had to breathe through my mouth, which like hurts my jaw to like keep my mouth open, and then my lips were getting super dry and I was dying. Chunky, get out the toilet!
You left it open.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go or something.
I didn't know we were gonna vlog.
Chunky slept outside the door all night with just his head poking out. It was cute. Like, he was like laying down, but his head was like the only thing you could see right there.
He likes to do that, like, as long as he can have visual contact with you, he's okay.
Yeah.
Even like if he's not touching you.
Chunky.
Look at the lights with the snow, it looks good.
I know. Look at how much snow is in the window.
I know.
Oh my god, it's still kind of snowing. I don't know if you can see.
It's still snowing like a decent amount, it's just not the fat snow.
Yeah, and it's not like super windy. It looks like it's falling kind of straight down. Well, time for a popsicle. Time for my breakfast.
Jesus.
Wow, my hair is nasty. I didn't mean to turn both of those. Wow, this lighting is bad and my hair is just whack. I don't know what we're doing today. If we are doing anything, I don't know. Do I want to sit out here or do I want to go back in the room? Looks like it's snowing a lot, actually. I'll show you the amount of snow on the balcony ledge again because it's a lot more. Like, this spot got filled in like halfway. Like, holy crap. And then all of that. It's a lot of snow. But can you tell it's snowing? Yep, there it is. Jesus. But I'm gonna eat my popsicle. Maybe we'll watch TV or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Good morning. You know I already said good morning. Someone said good morning. Alright guys, Katie's playing Fortnite. Now I'm going to be making some pancakes. So, we got our sugar, we got our flour, we got our milk, we got our eggs, we got our measuring cup, we got our... What else do we need? Baking powder. Do you normally put salt in? No? Okay. So we got everything we need. So I'm going to make these and I will show you what they look like when they are done. Let's hope I do not mess them up. Wait, is it ready?
Look at this huge pancake. Lift it up and look underneath.
Oh yeah, she's ready. I'm scared.
You got this.
I'm scared.
Oh my god. Why'd you do it like that, you weirdo?
I haven't flipped the pancake in forever. Wow.
Chunky. Hey. Hey, fat boy. Whoa, whoa. You're blurry, Chunky. There you go. Whoa! Big boy. Attacking. I've already been eating my pancakes. I feel gross. I feel like I'm dying. I woke up at like 6:30 today.
I think you said 7.
No, it was 6:30. We both woke up at like 7.
Oh, you mean I woke up at 7?
Yeah.
You went to bed pretty early though. It's like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, maybe. I was tired.
I know.
I'm still tired. It's a little while later. It's like 10:50.
I'm running Katie a bath.
I feel like crap. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bath. Still snowing. But we've been watching Grey's Anatomy, and oh, I looked at the app thing that says like if the roads are closed or not, and the road that I take home is not closed anymore, but it says travel not advised, so I'll probably just wait a little longer to see if it gets any better. I don't know if I'm going home tonight. I don't know, honestly. I guess we'll find out later, but I'm gonna take a bath, and then Cole's probably gonna shower afterwards. So yeah, I'm sorry this vlog is probably really boring because we've just been inside the whole time for like 3 days straight. There's nothing fun to do here, and I'm sick, so I'm sorry. Chunky. Woo. Squinty boy. Okay guys, I just got out of the bath. I'm so out of breath for some reason. I've just been playing Fortnite. Cole made me a smoothie. Now he's gonna shower. And I'm gonna play more Fortnite, and yeah, I don't know. This whole vlog is just about Fortnite, I guess.
Well, Katie just took a nap and I took a nap too, and we just woke up and the roads are done to, they went from closed to travel not advised to just partially covered, and some of them are still good. So I'm gonna go shovel Katie's car out and she's gonna try to go home finally. She's still feeling kind of like a booty. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-day vlog, even though we didn't really do anything. Next week should be more exciting. I work like 7 to 4. Next weekend we'll still probably hang out. I might see if I can go in a little bit earlier so I don't have to stay there as much at the middle of the day. But and the week after that, it's Katie's birthday. So anyway.
Yay. At least I'm sick now and not then, hopefully.
True. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There should be a video up Wednesday because we were able to record that this time, so you guys will get to see it. Anyway, if you are in the Minnesota area, make sure that you're driving safe. I know it's pretty bad out there, so, or well, I guess it's already passed by the time this goes up, so hope you were driving safe. Anyway, we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye.
Bye.